supposed to exit. Get the front food. Oh, it's a false alarm.
Yeah! I'm sitting back there. I get my food!
Are you drunk?
Yeah, dude, you haven't had anything to drink, really.
False alarm, people.
They just wanted to really wake you up, make you feel involved.
Here we are. Here we are.
Like, oh, dude, I thought that there was a virus. Dude, I was out, like, gone.
I really miss this noise, actually.
Here we are at Cheddar's, and the fire alarm went off.
There's a part of me that misses this noise.
I'm gonna make a definitely post on Facebook. Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
So, you guys actually have to wait for the fire department to show up to silence this. Because if you don't wait for the fire department to silence this, it's like a $500 fine.
Nice. Nice.
Just so you all know. I can deal with this all day, so I'm good.
Already definitely.